I'm Terry. I work for Growing Space at Aberdeen, and today we're running our Engaging with Nature session. The Engaging with Nature session came about from the COVID pandemic. We had service users who were currently engaged in activity, for example, Men's Shed and our community gardens, and suddenly lockdown came and we had to be quick on our feet and think of a new activity. So we labelled it up Engaging with Nature. The sessions are split across 5 sessions really, with a range of activities, but all based in the outdoors within the park. We use Darran Parc, where we are today, and we use Bring Back Park in Tredegar.
When I first came, there was a few new people as well, and I'm a bit more confident with meeting new people, but it was pretty clear that some weren't, and then because I was, quite confident talking a lot, that eased their comfort a little, and then over, a week or two, they've opened up and just generally had a good time, especially with what's been going on in recent months. People's mental health has been deteriorating. It's good to get out, meet new people who are experiencing similar issues, talk about them, and just enjoy a day out, really. Like Growing Space, getting people out, community mental health, they're really important right now.
Okay, we're going to go up to the waterfall next. Now it gets a little bit mucky as we go up, okay, but it's worth it to see the waterfall. So you're okay in trainers, but it won't be tarmac, okay? The ones who don't want to go to the waterfall, if you chill out on the benches and wait for us to come back, we'll probably be between 10 and 15 minutes.
Yes. Yeah.
Go faster.
The activity has brought the service users out of their comfort zone in travelling to a different location, out to their immediate community, and we found that's been excellent. The actual take-up on the session has been excellent. The guys enjoy it. Some of the sessions are based around geocaching, some are around rambling, but on the whole it's about fetching people together in a beautiful environment to share experience around low-level mental health and well-being.